If you want a Gmail account specifically for business in this year, 2026, here's the exact step-by-step process to create one with your business domain for a professional email address. Right, and in order to start, you need the business Gmail accounts. Right, and in order to start, business Gmail accounts use Google Workspace instead of regular free Gmail. So you go to Workspace, let me use my search, sorry, Workspace, then google.com. There you go. You go here and then you choose Get Started on this website. You just enter your business name here, number of employees, and country. This sets up your business account correctly and configures admin access. So you can either, as you can see, start fresh with a new account, or you can use the existing. So for example, start new, in here, business name, test, let's choose the employees, 10 to 99, region, next we have the email, and then first name and last name, next. You can create a custom domain, get one, or set up using the existing one. For example, the existing, then you type in your domain name and click on next. And then your business Gmail will then look like, for example, your name at yourdomain.com. It's professional and credible. Also, don't forget to set up your password to ensure security of your account, and then verify and set billing. So verify your domain ownership as instructed, and after that enter billing information to activate your Google Workspace account. This is required for business Gmail. And that's how you create your Gmail account for business, professional domain, secure login, and ready to send emails under your business identity. Like the video and subscribe if this helped, guys, and thank you for watching.